Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going review about easy battery reconditioning. This review videos are based on facts. We fully research all of the product and look for real user experiences. So in our reviews there is no bias, no gimmicks, no scam and no hype. But wait, before continue this video, make sure you hit subscribe button first and write down in comment section if you're already subscribed, so you know when we launch new videos. Tom has reconditioned hundreds, maybe thousands, of old batteries back to life again over the years. And he's helped thousands of other people do the same. As you probably know, batteries are expensive and prices keep going up. The average family is spending more and more of their hard-earned money each month on all kinds of batteries. Just think about it. How much of your hard-earned money do you spend on replacement batteries for your car, tools, laptop, cell phone, electronics, and other devices? The average person already spends over $15,000 in their lifetime. And to make matters worse, the demand for batteries is skyrocketing because our modern world continues to require more devices, tools, and vehicles that are solely powered by batteries. This means the amount most people spend on batteries each year is only going to go up. But it doesn't have to be like this, because over 19,541 people have used these very same methods to bring their old batteries back to life. There's finally a better way. You can easily recondition and reuse your old batteries instead of buying new, expensive batteries. Did you know, battery reconditioning is a simple skill that every person should use when their batteries get old or die? If your batteries die, don't throw them out. If you have a box of old batteries, save them. You can bring these back to life again and reuse them, and save yourself a small fortune. A lot of people these days don't know this, but years ago, many people knew how to recondition their old car battery to maximize its lifespan. But nowadays, most people don't know this incredibly valuable and money-saving skill. Most people also don't know you can recondition many other types of batteries besides just dead car batteries. And the truth is, everyone can and should recondition their old batteries. The Easy Battery Reconditioning program is the easy-to-follow, step-by-step system anyone can use to recondition all kinds of old or dead batteries, with just simple supplies you probably already have in your home. Over 19,541 people from all over the world have already used the Easy Battery Reconditioning program to recondition their old batteries back to life again. Inside the program, you'll be able to use our step-by-step guides that will show you how to recondition nearly every type of battery out there. The guides are full of pictures and diagrams, so you not only read exactly what to do, you see exactly what to do as well. And that's why we also wanted to make sure it was accessible to everyone. So we made the guide something you can download to your computer, tablet, or smartphone, so you can use our simple reconditioning methods anywhere and anytime. Now, no matter where you are when one of your batteries dies, you can pull up our guides on whatever devices you have with you, and immediately recondition the dead battery. You can even download and print the guides to use them offline. And on top of that, the simple methods we teach are safe, easy to do, and can be done by anyone, in any country. Absolutely anyone can do this. Even if you have no DIY skills, Easy Battery Reconditioning makes it simple to bring your old batteries back to life. We take you by the hand and guide you every step of the way as you recondition your batteries. With this easy-to-follow guides, absolutely anyone can do this. You simply copy what we're doing in the reconditioning guides and you can bring your old batteries back to life too. Let's review what you're going to get. 1. Instant access to the Easy Battery Reconditioning guides with step-by-step instructions, images and details of how to bring your old batteries back to life again. 2. Frank's Battery Business Guide that will show you how to get old batteries for free, which you can recondition and sell for huge profits right from home. 3. Double the Life of Your Batteries mini course that will show tips, tricks, and maintenance secrets to double the life of your batteries. 4. lifetime updates and lifetime support to make sure you always have all of the help and updates you need to recondition your batteries. You'll also get these 3 bonuses plus, and there are no recurring fees for this. The price is only just $47 today. Click link in description below to go to Easy Battery Reconditioning official website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support this channel.